Guys, while in lockdown, I have been gaming. Hey guys, do you know what time it is?
Is it dinner time?
No.
Now.
The three of us are going to be doing the last to stop gaming chat.
Morgan!
Guys, time start now.
We could be doing this for days. So I'm going to get stocked up on all of my favourite foods. Apples! There's definitely more room in here, guys. Let's hit the fridge. Oh, guys. Now I've got all my snacks.
Okay guys, Mum and Martin may be very good at gaming, but remember, this is a skill test. So I think I need to test.
Into the mouth. Nice.
Oh my. Check it out, guys. Yeah. Loads of different and even Mountain Dew, the game of fuel. Guys, which ones should I choose? I think I'll just take them all. Let's start with you. 2 can, 4 can, 3 can, 6. I'm feeling crazy right now. Let's move on to the monster. Blue can, pink can, black can. They all look good to me.
Stop it. Get some help.
I have come up into my bedroom. I'll be needing some for this challenge, but there's a little bit of a problem. Jill doesn't let me eat any of her only the breakfast. But little does she know, I have a secret stash. Ooh, guys, check this out.
I think I should go and steal, borrow one of his.
Ooh, peanut butter.
Morgan! I'm gonna go for the Morgan! Guys, check it out! I got Morgan! Oh, it's brewing it up, guys! I'm not sure why it says Morgan!
Okay guys, after like 5 minutes of picking up all the supplies that I dropped, I am ready to begin the challenge. As you can see, I have loads and loads of to keep me entertained throughout this challenge.
Okay guys, I've been looking around the house for video games, and you won't believe what I've found. Check it out guys, I found an old Nintendo Wii. Oh my gosh. Check it out guys, it actually works. I've got my Wii. I'm ready for this challenge.
Guys, with eyes, I'm already looking at this is meant to be touch screen. Hang on a sec, guys. I think I'll use this thing.
A few moments later.
On. Why isn't it working? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
You're a loser!
Wait a sec, guys. I don't think the controller was turned on. That's a little bit embarrassing. Never mind. I think we should just get on with it now.